We almost to the last part of the program. This is the last song we're going to sing today for the evening. And I'm very glad to sing this song because this was a song which, the lyrics God gave me when I was really going through certain things in my life. And I believe that God, as we've been hearing, right, God is so good in our life, and when we have a Heavenly Father, He's totally true enough for us to bless us our part of life. Yeah, just listen to the song. The song is in Tamil, so please bear with me. Sorry. Yeah. So the song is in Tamil, so please bear with me. But still, we are trying to put the songs translated in English, so probably you can follow it out. But this song is talking about Jesus and what He has done upon the cross, and it's everything what He's done from the cross is for you and me. Yeah. God bless you.